Dragilor, bine ați venit la un nou episod al podcastului Wines of Romania. Acest podcast este inspirat de programul Deschidem Vinul Românesc, dezvoltat de Carrefour România, iar astăzi ne aflăm în Spania, în Barcelona, acasă la Biosystems. Alături de mine l-am pe CEO-ul companiei, Pau Lila Cases.
Right.
And I am going to switch to English because I'm going to talk to Pau about Biosystems, why it's special, what they are doing, which kind of services they are offering, and something which you might find for the first time during this podcast. Pau, welcome to Wines of Romania podcast.
Thank you very much, Marinela.
What's Biosystems for you?
Well, Biosystems is a challenging project for me. The project started on 1981. It's a family company operating mostly into the clinical chemistry business, into the human health. But we started more than 10 years ago a project that is also using our know-how, our technology to analyze wines.
You said something very nicely this morning. Biosystems is delivering solutions for human being, for animals, and for the food and beverage industry. Which one is delivering for you, let's say, the bigger satisfaction currently?
I could say that I don't know, because the bigger satisfaction is just customer basis. So every customer we visit and we feel that we help them, it's a big satisfaction. So I could not say that veterinary or human health or food and beverage give us bigger satisfaction. The satisfaction is on the customer at end user level. What we do at Biosystems is just we put ingredients together to the sample that we took from the end user, and we try to analyze the magnitude of the biochemical reactions happening in that sample. For example, if we take a human blood sample, if we want to measure something that is in that sample, like cholesterol or bilirubin or glucose, we put some enzymes together into the sample and we measure the magnitude of this reaction by means of light. This is what we do. So what happens is that we learn that analyzing samples is quite similar from blood, from humans, from animals, or even we can analyze wine or food products using the same technology. So how we help the customers is providing to them reliable solutions to get results from the analysis they do, and to allow them to take the best decisions to help them into diagnosis a patient or help them into prepare or to make a good quality wine.
You are a global company, even
Yes.
if you are a family-owned business, correct?
Yes. Well, we operate in 120 countries worldwide. In 17 of those countries, we are present direct with Biosystems companies. So in total, we are 700 people providing support and help to our customers. Of course, every country is completely different because as we operate in human health, animal health, food and beverage, not in all the countries we have the same level of development of all those lines. So every country has its own history and business and whatever, no? So the biggest countries for us are Spain, Russia, India, Mexico,
Romania soon.
Colombia, Romania. Romania is doing great, is doing very well. We should understand that Romania is not a big country like India. India is 1.3 billion population. Romania is, I guess, that more than 20 million, I don't know, 22, 24 million people. So we could not expect the same size of business in Romania, but Romania is doing extremely well. Biosystems is a project that has developed the last 40 years and is willing to provide One Health solutions for the next 40 years. We were developing products for the last 40 years to help our customers, but in fact we were not really understanding how our customers use our products. And then we realized that helping them means also listening to them and putting all our focus on understanding how can we really help them and what is the experience they get from using our products. So then, 3 years ago, we changed our focus. Instead of putting focus on developing products, putting all our focus understanding our customers, users of our products. And for this reason, we have changed from Biosystems, a manufacturer of products, to Biosystems, a human-centered biotech.
Who are your customers, Pau?
Our customers are professionals working into the health or into veterinary field or in the food and beverage field. All our customers are professionals working at laboratories, analyzing samples to perform their jobs or their duties. So, used to be biologists, biotechnologists, or enologists, or laboratory technologies using our systems to help their companies to perform their duties.
What are your current challenges or the biggest challenges that you are facing currently due to also the situation, global situation that we are dealing with?
I guess that the great challenge of Biosystems is be able to be flexible enough to adapt to the changes into the context. The world is changing quite fast, and we were maybe not enough fast on adapting ourselves to give solutions to our customers. So the main challenge of Biosystems is not the market situation or the worldwide situation, is internal context, that it makes us to feel enough flexible to adapt ourselves to offer solutions to our customers in a good way. So the challenge is our mindset evolution.
You know, Pau, this morning when we visited the company with Salva, I said, let's discover why Biosystems is unique in the world. This is how I started the visit this morning. I'm going to ask you now, what makes Biosystems unique in the world?
I guess that what makes Biosystems unique in the world, it's our own culture. Because it's not important what you do. To us, it's more important how do you do. And when we approach to a customer or to any stakeholder, we want to show the best of ourselves and not just what we do. Of course, we establish conversation through them by our products, but in fact, how we approach to them is very important for us.
We are in Spain, we are in Barcelona, and we are talking about a global company. If Biosystems would have been born in a different country, would have been different?
The culture is also the result of many years of history and many people that has contributed to make that company what we are today. So the culture and the place where the culture has been developed, it's part of our way of doing and way of being. So yes, I don't know how would it be if we had been developed not in Barcelona, but nowadays, many people working at Biosystems from all over the world is enriching what we started 4 years ago in Barcelona. So today is maybe not so important to be in Barcelona as a cultural way, but it's a good place to be.
What can you say about the climate change and, of course, about the investment and what you are doing in terms of sustainability?
Sustainability is becoming a very important pillar for Biosystems, and now we are working very hard to understand how our activity is impacting the planet, the Earth, and the communities where we do our activities. And now we are incorporating the sustainability pillar into how we conceive the products. For example, in this box, we had removed all the plastic materials that there were inside, and we have also reduced the size of the box to avoid shipping empty boxes worldwide. It means that we can send smaller package into the flights and the planes, and also to store in less space into the cold rooms or fridge. So now we are incorporating the sustainability pillar into how we conceive the products.
How do you see Biosystems in 5 years from now on?
Well, Biosystems now is trying to evolve into become a One Health global biotech company. When I talk about One Health, it means that you cannot understand human health without considering the animal health, the food and beverage, and the environment health. So it means the health, the concept that it's going along animals, humans, and also, of course, if the animals are living in a contaminated health, they cannot be healthy. And if we eat those animals, we cannot be healthy. So now we are trying to evolve and to develop solutions for the human health, veterinary health, food and beverage, and environmental health, going into the One Health concept.
Have you ever been to Romania?
Yes, a few times.
Do you like it? How was your experience in Romania?
My experience in Romania was extremely good, mainly because the people there is so kind, so warm, and so simple. So I spend times with them doing activities, professional and also some amusement activities, and I really have good memories from Romania.
Have you tried Romanian wine?
Yes, I had tried Romanian wine.
How was the experience?
It was surprisingly okay. I don't remember exactly the name of that wine, but I never had tried Romanian wine before, and this wine was really, really nice.
It was a red or a white?
It was a red wine.
It was a local one, a local grape, or was you don't?
I'm sorry, I don't remember. I have not very good memory on details. I only remember that I like it.
Which is the most important one, because we are in the Voice of Romania podcast. Yes. So even if we are talking about technology and innovation in future and so amazing things which you are doing here, I cannot not also bring a Romanian wine here. So I will ask one of my colleagues here to bring a wine which was selected by Theo and Gabi, your colleagues in Romania and our friends. And this wine is coming from their side. So
very good.
Because they are there. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And this is wine which comes from the same area that you had the first wine, red wine, which you enjoyed in Romania.
Very good.
So I hope that you will you'll enjoy this one as well. You're very welcome. It's a beautiful
thank you.
Merlot.
Prince Matei.
Yes, it was considered to be the producer of the best Merlot in Romania.
I don't know if they are analyzing that wine with our solutions and systems.
They are.
They are?
Yes.
By sure it will be okay. It will be very good. Okay.
Actually, you know, I had a visit last week.
Yes.
Because I knew that they use biosystems technology. Yes. And I asked, what do they think about biosystems? Like, what do they think about the quality? And they had a very, very nice talk about the importance in terms of quality and what they are doing, and also sustainability as well was one of the topics that came out. And I think that is quality in the end, even in wine and also in technology. Biosystems is just an example, brings great people around. So I think that is a very nice exchange. They talk so nicely about biosystems. You did as well.
Very good, thank you. Maybe next time I can go to visit them.
For sure. For sure. I think that it will be a pleasure for both sides, for you and also for them.
First I will try it and then I will visit them. We will be happy to work with winemakers in Romania. We will be happy to connect them with all the customers that are using our solutions worldwide, because into the winemaker field we are really operating in the most important countries, producers of wine, like Spain, France, Italy, but also in United States, in Chile, in Argentina, in South Africa. So what we most love from that world is that when you connect people one to each other and when they learn one from each other to help themselves and to make better wines, it's also something positive that we feel happy to contribute to make better wines through our solutions and especially through our people. This is why we are human-centered biotech, because we love conversation, we love people, and we love to help people. Thank you very much, Maria, to you. It has been my pleasure to spend this day with all of you, and it has been really, really interesting, and I had enjoyed so much. So thank you for your time.
Thank you. Dragilor, sper că v-a plăcut acest episod filmat aici în Barcelona la Biosystems. Ne vedem data viitoare cu un nou episod al podcastului Wines of Romania, podcast inspirat de programul Deschidem Vinul Românesc.